So we've got brother and sister playing. It's hard to tell which is which. As you can see, they're quite active kittens. Difficult to get a still photo of them, which is why I've posted these little videos. Looks to me like the girl's on the right hand side. So as you can see, the kittens have both got white bellied with dark spots, which is something that's sought after by judges of pedigreed Bengal kittens. Here comes Mum checking everyone's okay, and our little girl decided she wanted to play with Mum. She's got lovely patterns and rosettes as well.